Hi. Uh, Today I just wanted to show the problem what I was facing with the clicking sound and the lashing of the gears, or maybe the slapping of the gears, and it was just kind of irritating since the day one. So this is the fresh gear, and this is the original gear which came out from the bike, which is a single dot, if you can see. And this is a reverse thread of a and these are the original gears of the bike with the color coding on it. The original gears, when they come along with the bike, they come with a color code, which is basically balanced. If you can see, these two dots and these two dots are matching. And so this is the latching sound. And now if so 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 what I'm trying to do is remove this so now what I'm doing is I'm just changing, oh, sorry. So I have removed the original pinion gear which came along with the bike, and I just now opened the brand new piece, and this is with the two dots. I tried with the 3 dot series. This is the 3 dot series, third oversized pinion gear, and it was literally whistling around. So now hopefully this should take care. So just give me a moment and allow me to fasten this up, and then I'll show you. So now I need to check. So this and so this is the latching has started again. You can see this. This is a bit hard and this is a bit soft. Sorry. So this is how you generally check. Mama, can you hold this and make sure that you're on firmly here. So this is how this will become silent, and the bike has gone more silent. Now what I need to do is I need to loosen up the exhaust one. Inlet is okay, but still let me just switch off the bike and then check the latching. Now my princess is helping me and she always comes as a rescue point to me. So if you can come this side, mama, and show this gear this side. So the latch latch has reduced. But the latch over here on the still there, this will increase the sound in future. So what I think is the whistle sound is better than the So first what I need to do is I will loosen up the exhaust tappet. Oh, it's right. This is okay. This is okay. So I will get a better reading out of it. So the latch is still there. What I have to do now is to remove the gears again. Now since this 2 dots is not working, I will use three dot gear and come this side. Show it from here, from this side. No, that's not the way you do it. Why did you change the camera? Yeah, so then how do you expect me to work? Okay, so
you know the best how to hold it.
now I think dot 3 is going to help us overcoming this latching problem, latching of the gears. So still there is a little bit of latching there, but to an extent, yes, it has reduced. Now Mama, can you paddle up on the kick paddle, please? That's my helping hand. Can you just paddle up on the kick, please? Here, stand on the kick. One more. One more. एक बार और. Enough. So if you can hold it, Mama, if you can come this side and hold it like this. Sit down and hold it. helped me a lot.
In the kick.
Paddling on the kick, that's enough. So I'm using 3 shims for the exhaust and 3 for the plate inlet. I still have the timing cover is getting ready to be. Okay, so now I forgot something. This is a very common problem, and I remember in the initial days when I started fixing the bike, I forgot to remove this oil stopper which I used it. and I started pouring the oil from the top from the oil. So my work is done, and so far this has come to this particular I mean, like, I can't say that it's silent, and what I feel is the spindles are supposed to be replaced and fixed with the eccentric now. So today I'm going to go out and pick up some adjustable pins and go to the turner and remove the pins and then install it and see how it works, and I'm sure this time it would be. So since I have gone from original single dot to the 3 dots right now, I would be going ahead and switching it back with the original no dot or single dot when I am using the adjustable spindle pins. So let us see how it is, and when this is done, and I am planning to switch the this original oil pump with the big oil pump on this. Stay tuned for that. Thank you.